purple ones, eh? Very beautiful.
Here's more. Check. How pretty that.
Wait. Ah, gorgeous. It's so nice like in your hair, chum. You look so beautiful on camera. Oh.
Have to get that
Period. Oh shit, the baboons just went that side. But let's avoid that.
on a bicycle.
On a bicycle. Hey, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Kom ons kyk wat gaan hier in.
This is a white one.
Oh. But these are like onkruid vibes too.
Wat so goed?
Is dit die onkruid?
I don't know. There we go.
Oh, jy auto ingesit. Ai. Chom, laat ek gooi vir ons.
I could live here like a house. I could live here. Like that.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Look at all of these white flowers.
It's cute. It's like spring vibes.
Definitely.
With autumn and winter. Because there's like dead trees and everything. Ooh. Kom vat jy nou 'n bietjie video van my oor.
You want to take a video while I want to try to take it back? Come on, give me the camera.
Don't show the people out. Well, what now? Don't turn it. The quality is not nice.
But I like it. And it's not a photo.
Is it? Oh shit.
Ta-da! And now? I thought you saw a baboon.
I heard something and I was just like, you.
Coming up. Funny shit over here. Ne? And just now it's a bah!
My friend, I don't think we should go too high.
Are you getting scared? What's that movie thingy?
What's wrong?
It's not wrong turn, man. Oh, that is so cute.
My socks are so dirty.
You in the bush, what do you expect?
Part of living again.
Yes.
Yeah. Cabin.
Let's see what's... Oh, it's the parky thing, isn't it?
Yeah, you get to the cabin.
Yeah, let's turn
Just
around.
the top of your